Hello viewers, today I was telling you about how to make reels on Instagram. For that, you need to click on Instagram account, and here you will see the plus symbol. Here you will see the plus symbol. Click on that. After that, here you will click on reels option. I was clicking on reels option, and I was clicking on camera. So like this you can make a reel. So here we have the timing settings: 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds. So which seconds did you want, you need to select. And here we have the music symbol. Click on music and search which music did you want. After that, and here it is the filters. So effects, of which effect did you want, you need to click that. So I was clicking on this effect, and after that uh, it is the green screen effect. If your background screen like green means, you need to click on that. And here is the video layout, and like this we have different types of uh, features on Instagram link. Again, you need to long press on. If you take a reel means, click long press. Like this you can, and get it, update it. After that, click on tick mark and post your reel on Instagram account. Click on next option. So here we have the option of edit. If you like to edit your Instagram means, voiceover, stickers, add text, add account and filters, volume. uh, if you need to change anything means, here we have that. So after that you need to click on next option. Click on next option and share the Instagram reels. Thank you.